Hello and welcome again. This is Haytham bin Sliman and you are watching Ruby tutorials. So in this video today I'm going to show you how to use the while loop in Ruby. So it's pretty easy. So I'm going to make a little example here. So let's start by creating two variables, I, which is equal to 0, and the second one is num, and I'm gonna give it 5 as value. Then I'm going to write while. This is the syntax of the while loop in Ruby. So you have to type while, then your condition. My condition here will be I is less than num. Then you have to write the do keyword, then the end keyword, like always. Now inside our loop I'm going to write a little instruction. So I'm just going to print the value of I in each iteration of our loop. So put this and the double quote, the value of I is, then the interpolation so I can print the value of I. So I'm gonna put I here, then I'm gonna just write here I, the plus sign, equal sign, 1. This line here means that this symbol here, plus and equal sign, means that I will increment by 1 after each iteration of the while loop. So now let me save my file and we will execute this file here. So as you can see here, it prints the value of I from 0 to 4. Sorry. So now I'm going to use the while loop with a structure, and in our case, this structure will be an array. So let me get rid of this code here. I'm just going to keep this line here, ei, which is equal to 0. So I'm going to create an array. I'm gonna call it frameworks. So this array will contain some strings. So Rails, Spring, Symfony. I can't stop making this mistake here. So Symfony, and finally I'm going to put struts. So now I'm going to fetch the value inside this array here by using the while loop. So how to do that? It's pretty easy. So while I is less than framework, which is the name of our array, dot length. This pre-built function here will return the length of our array. Length, that means the number of element inside my array here, which is frameworks. So while I is less than framework.length, do and put this and frameworks. Then I'm going to access each element of my array by its index, because the e will start at 0. So the value, the element who has the index of 0 in my array frameworks is this string here, which is at the index which is equal to 0. So when I will increment to 1, it will access this element here and it will print it for us, and etc. So to do that, I have to put I here, and then I will have to put the plus and equal sign 1, so I can increment the value of I in each iteration of my while loop. So let me save my file and let's see the results. Puts, and as you can see here, it prints the elements of each element of my array. So I think that's all for this video. I hope you have learned something from it, and see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.